You didn't know? In this video, we're going to find out the best email autoresponder for affiliate marketing in 2020. What is the best email autoresponder for email marketing in 2020? And what makes it the best? Okay, is it how fast it is? Is it how much it costs? Is it how many people own it? Is it how popular it is? What is it? What makes it the best? You need to build an email list today. Today, you need to build an email list to retarget these people. Stick to the end of the video. I'm going to show you why you're not going to make money online. Even after spending time and watching videos, why you won't make any money online. Let me tell you why. So stick to the end of the video. It's going to be a quick one. Let's get going. Jump inside right now. Okay, so this is how affiliate marketing works. Okay, so if you want to know if you're looking for an autoresponder, so that means you already know what affiliate marketing works. Maybe you already have a list, maybe you don't, but maybe you're looking to build a list. If you want to learn how to build a list, leave a comment below or watch some of my other videos on email marketing. So basically, you're driving traffic to an offer, and you're going to get a commission when they sell. So here's the free traffic, paid traffic, okay, whatever you decide. You're going to make a landing page. So if you've already been looking for an autoresponder, I'm assuming you already have software to build landing pages, email capture pages, bridge pages, thank you pages, web pages. You know, if you don't have software, click the link in the description for a free 14-day free trial. I'm going to show you can get everything in one package instead of spending $100 for this, $50 for that, $30 for that, and spending $300, $400, $500 on software when you can get it for $70. Okay, so stick to the end of the video for that. So you get a landing page. I'm assuming you have the software. If not, I'll help you out with free trial. Okay, so you're going to collect their email. Okay, now again, if you've already looking for an autoresponder, I'm assuming you have a list. If you don't have a list, you need a way to build a list. You need some way to automate the list and automate sending emails out, right? So that's what you're looking for, an autoresponder. So anyway, you collect their email, and then the autoresponder automatically sends emails out. Bam, bam, bam. And, if it's one every day, if it's one every week, depending on your niche. If you're a dentist, you send it out twice a year, right? Because you only see the dentist twice a year. But if it's something else, you remember, they don't buy on the first exposure. Affiliate marketing used to be you sent them right from the traffic to the landing page, straight to the offer with no email. And they used to buy. They don't do that anymore. That was the old way of affiliate marketing. Now it takes up to 7 exposures for them to buy something. So you have to hit them with 7 emails, okay, with value, explaining all kinds of stuff. Now you're saying, Jim, how am I going to write these emails? It's crazy stuff. I'm not a copywriter. Builderall has a tool. Stick to the end. It's automatic copyright. I'm going to show you. It's going to drive you nuts. Okay. So anyway, this is how it works. Okay. So you need software for this stuff. If you don't have software, click the link for the free trial. If you want to know more about what affiliate marketing is and how to work it, take an hour out of your time. Watch free course. I have a free course for affiliate marketing in the description. Okay, it's going to take you about an hour, 5 videos. They're like 8 to 10 minutes of videos. Going to show you everything, soup to nuts, about affiliate marketing. You're going to be an expert in an hour, and then we're going to get moving. You're going to get Builderall. You're going to get the 14-day free trial for Builderall. You're going to be building landing pages and then sending out emails. And you're going to be making money in a month. Okay, so let's go back. Let me show you what else you can do. Okay, so this is Builderall. Builderall has 30 apps, like I told you. If I drop down here, you see all the apps they have. I'm not going to go through it. Watch my other videos on Builderall and all the value that it has in here. And you can also be an affiliate for Builderall. If you want to be an affiliate marketer, you want to find a product that's selling like wildfire and that's a recurring billing something, so you're going to get payment every month. Okay, so we sell something once, you get paid every month after that. It's really, really, really a good deal. But anyway, Builderall has 30 apps. Okay, one of them is the autoresponder. So we're going to go over to Mailing Boss. Now, Mailing Boss, here it is. We're going to go over to the workflows. Okay, and I'm going to show you what it is. My Builderall funnel. So if you sign up for my Builderall funnel, you end up on you have a landing page that I built with Builderall. Okay, so. And of course, there's all kinds of tutorials. Builderall has all kinds of training on how to build the landing pages, how to use the Mailing Boss, how to send emails, training like crazy. Okay, all for free once you're a member of Builderall. So you get on, they sign up for your email list. They get an email asking them, are you sure you want to sign up? This way you know you're getting people who want to be on your mailing list, okay? Because the key to the mailing list is to make sure it's a niche list in your niche. It's targeted for people who want to be on your niche, who are interested in getting your emails, because that's how you're going to make money. Not this crazy big number of lists. It doesn't matter if you got 1 million people on your list if nobody gives a crap, right? So you got to really narrow down, and you're going to what's called scrubbing your list, and I'm going to go over that in a minute. All right, so they get an email, they what they call double opt-in to your list. And then they get caught in the autoresponder where every day they're going to get an email from me. It's already going. I don't have to do anything. Once I set this up, whenever somebody lands on my landing page and signs up for my email list, gets my lead magnet, which I'm going to go over in a second what a lead magnet is. As a matter of fact, I'm not going to waste time. Leave a comment if you want to know what a lead magnet is. So they sign up for your email list. They double opt in, and they start the process to get onto the email autoresponder every day. In my case, every day they get an email explaining the value, what they're going to get, what their life is going to be with it, what their life is going to be without it, why they need it, and all kinds of stuff like that, warming up the traffic in order to get a sale. Okay, and it's what's called a autoresponder sequence, right? So, but let's say something here. Okay, so here's some sequences. I'm going to go down to my, this is my course sequence. So I'm going to just click onto the overview. I'm just going to give you an idea of what's going on. So if I move up here, so there was 188 emails sent, as you see over here. Confirmed deliveries 184. Okay, so now that's how many was sent. Now the open rate. Now when I say scrubbing your email list, people who don't open your emails, you're going to delete them. They don't open your emails, so you don't need them on your list. You're going to scrub your list, so only people that are interested in hearing from you are going to be on your list. And when you get 1,000 people like that, they say an email list like that is worth $1 a month per email. Okay, so that would be, if you had 1,000 people on your list, it'd be $1,000 a month just from scrubbing your list and getting a good list. So open rate, here we go. I'm going to move down here so that I have a 22% open rate on this, which isn't bad. Okay, click rate, how many people are clicking out of 5? That's between 3 and 5% is average. That's not too bad. Bounce rate, unsubscribe rate, I had one unsubscriber. Okay, so now they have all your information in the mailing boss. Okay, as far as who opens it, who doesn't open it, you can scrub your list so you can get a really refined list that's going to make you a lot of money. Okay, so now that I've shown you that, let's jump in. What are you going to do with that? Here I am back in the Builderall back office, and I know I told you I was going to show you some crazy stuff. So, they have Share Locker. Watch some of my other videos. I'll go through. They have Pixel Perfect Builder. They have about 3 builders. They have a Cheetah Builder that's really fast. They have an app builder to build apps. They have Builderall Unlimited magazines. They have, if you want to build an e-commerce site like a Shopify store, SEO on-page report, watch my other videos. That is a gem. Video tag tool is one there. Video tag, animated videos, social proof is a good one. Chatbots, transparent floating videos, drag and drop, autoresponder, email, we already went over the mailing boss. Okay, social auto post app, script generator is what we're going to go over right now. Script generator is basically a copywriter, your own copywriter. You're not going to have to worry about copywriting. Okay, now what's copywriting? If you're new to freaking email marketing, you don't know what copywriting is. Any kind of writing that's trying to make a sale is copywriting. The emails that you get, that's copywriting. Stuff that's on a web page, that's copywriting. Things that are trying to drive traffic, warm up traffic, trying to get people to make a sale, that's all copywriting with sales words, warming up people, trying to get terms in right. It's just to try to warm up people to get them to want to buy. Okay, so that's what the script generator does, and we're going to jump right in right here. Basically, what you do with the script generator, and watch some of my other videos, I go through it a little bit more in depth. I'm going to go through it quick right now. You build an avatar, and an avatar is your ideal customer in your niche. Okay, so you have your niche, you have your avatar, and then you generate a script. Okay, so you would choose a niche. Okay, and if I go over here, let's say I'm going to go health and fitness. Okay, is one of the evergreen niches. So now that I pick my avatar, now I'm going to say, let's say I'm looking for emails. So I'm going to go down here. Maybe it's a one-time offer. Maybe it's a headline. Maybe it's advertising, joint venture, e-commerce, right? So let's say it's an email script. So we go to email. Now, what kind of email is it? Is it a giveaway email? Is it a pre-engagement email? Is it an engagement whitelist email? Lead magnet email? Is it cold prospecting, flash sales? So let's say it's cold prospecting. We click that. No editing involved. Boom. How fast is that? Okay. And it's giving you right there an email with my links and my contact and everything involved. Okay. And I didn't have to do anything. All I had to do was set it up with the ideal customer. Okay. So that's just one tool for Builderall. Builderall has 30 tools that are going to help you make money. You need an email autoresponder. You know that. You know you need a lead capture page. You need something to build an email list. Okay. And you're getting 30 other apps. Watch my other videos on Builderall value. Okay. If you want to know more. Okay. What's next on the list? Let's see where we're going. So even after watching the video and seeing how to make money and seeing how to set up an email autoresponder, and even after taking the 14-day free trial, what's going to stop you from making money online? You want to know the number one reason why you're not going to make money online? The number one reason why you're not going to make money online is lack of action. Okay. So, people watch videos. They don't do anything. They just watch videos. Okay. You need to take what you just learned, take the free course, learn about affiliate marketing, then take the 14-day free trial. All you need is an email address, no credit card. You're going to set yourself up with an account. You're going to build landing pages for free. You're going to learn how to use the software for 14 days. Okay, you're gonna really love it. Okay, it's going to be training that's going to teach you how to do all of this stuff. Okay, subscribe to my channel because I take care of this all the time. We're learning about Builderall. We're learning about affiliate marketing. And stick to the end of the video. We're almost done. I'm going to show you the value in being an affiliate for Builderall. Okay, so check this out. Okay, so Builderall has an affiliate program. You wanted to learn how to be an affiliate marketer, so Builderall has an affiliate program of its own. Now the premium is $69.90, but you can get a free program. You can get one for $29.90. I think there's one for $40, but the premium to get all the tools is $69.90, and you could be an affiliate for Builderall, and I'm going to show you how you're going to make a lot of money. Now, besides using the tools, the 30 tools that Builderall has to make money, you're also going to use it selling the Builderall, because people are going to want to sell Builderall when they find out what you're doing. They're going to also want to do it too. Okay, so how many sales can you make in a year? So out of the people that I bring into Builderall, how many sales can I make? Let's say that I'm not a very good salesman. Let's say I can only do one sale a week. So I make one sale a week in a year. So if I make one sale a week in a year, that's 52 weeks in a year, right? And you're making $1,000 a month. This is residual income because it's a recurring billing program. They pay $69.90 a month, and you're going to get $1,000 a month once you have 52 sales. Now, out of those 52 people, how many of those people would want to sell Builderall too? Because it's a two-tier system, so you're going to get payments off the people that come in under you. Just the two. It's not multi-level marketing. It's not craziness. Okay, this is to help you support the people below you, to train them, to help them. So if you come in under me, it's in my best interest to help you learn how to do it, show you where all the training is, so that you can become successful too, because I'm going to make money off of you. So how many affiliates out of the 52? Now I would say that'd be like half, but let's say it's not. Let's say it's like 16. All right, which is like, so there's the 16 people in your circle. Here I am. Here's the 16 people around me. They're on my team, 2 tiers deep. Okay, now out of those 16 people, how many sales can they make in a year? So now in that year time, I made 52 sales. Let's say that they're terrible, they're worse than me. Let's say they make only one sale a month in that year. So down here, 12, all right? They make 12 sales each. And now this is in a year period. Nothing happens overnight. This isn't, overnight success. You're building a business. It takes a year's time. Sometimes it takes more. But in a year's time, if you make 52 sales, 16 people agree to join you, and those 16 people make one sale a month, you're going to be making $5,000 a month residual income coming in without you doing anything else. You're making residual passive income, $5,000 a month. And as you can see, this is very conservative numbers. Okay, so and you got to realize you're using the Builderall platform and the 30 tools to make money, as I just showed you. Okay, so like and subscribe to the channel. Get Builderall. Take the 14-day free trial. Do it now. What do you got to lose? All the training in the world. Okay.